Hello friends, now we see problem number 1 of question 2, which is also based on theorem 1, theorem 2, theorem 3 of chapter sequence and series. The sub question 2 is summation r takes value 1 to n 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus going on up to plus r square whole thing divided by 2r plus 1. And for this question we have to find sum. So now let's see the solution. Solution is quite simple. Since we know that one square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus going on up to n square, so that equal to n in bracket n plus 1, another bracket 2n plus 1, whole thing divided by 6. So therefore 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus going on plus finally r square, and that equal to r in bracket r plus 1 second bracket 2r plus 1 and then whole thing divided by 6. So using this formula in above problem we get that equal to summation r takes value 1 to n for 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to r square. We have to replace that r in bracket r plus 1 second bracket 2r plus 1 whole thing divided by 6, and that term totally divided by the term that 2r plus 1. Then cancelling the term 2r plus 1 from numerator and denominator, we have summation r takes value 1 to n r in bracket r plus 1 upon 6. So the next step will be is equal to, we take constant term that 1 by 6 outside the summation sign, so 1 upon 6 into summation r takes value 1 to n, then we open the bracket, so that gives r square plus r bracket complete, so that is equal to 1 by 6 summation r square I take value 1 to n plus summation r I takes value 1 to n, and we close the brackets. So that equal to 1 upon 6 in bracket. Now for summation r square, by using theorem 2 we have the formula that n in bracket n plus 1 next bracket 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 6 plus for summation r by using theorem 1 n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. So the next step will be 1 upon 6. Now from these two terms we can take n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2 common, then we get from first part we have 2n plus 1 divided by 3, and from second part we get 1 by 1. So the next step will be n in bracket n plus 1 upon 6 into 2 12, and inside the bracket we go for cross multiply, then we get 2n plus 1 into 1, so that gives 2n plus 1 plus 3 into 1 3 and upon 3 into 1 again we get 3 in the denominator. So the next step will be n into n plus 1 upon 12. So inside the bracket we get 2n plus 4 upon 3. So that equal to n into n plus 1. From 2n plus 4 we take 2 common. So we have 2 in bracket n plus 2. Then whole thing divided by 12 into 3. Now we go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So the next step will be is equal to n in bracket n plus 1, next bracket n plus 2, totally divide by 6 into 3. So that gives 18. So therefore, finally we prove that the summation r takes value 1 to n, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to plus r square, whole thing divided by 2r plus 1. So that equal to n in bracket n plus 1, second bracket n plus 2 and whole thing divided by 80. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.